Oh, what a normal day it is today. Oh.
Hey, ladies.
Timmy?
Mom.
Is that Timmy? Timmy?
Huh?
Timmy,
Mama?
why
What?
do you have a motorcycle?
To get the ladies.
How? With what money did you buy it with?
Your credit card, of course.
How much
Duh.
money did it cost?
10,000. No, I'm going to heaven.
No, you are
No,
not.
I'm going to heaven.
You are in huge trouble, young man. You are going to China.
No. We don't like China. It's scary.
Well, why? Why is it scary?
Because Dad, your wife.
I'm gonna beat you up. Now, get inside here.
No, Mama. This is scary. No. No.
Bye-bye, Timmy.